and Harden. Hides licking his chops. It's his, he fell down at top.
Luka against Hart. And everybody loves the step back. They love it when Luka.
Joe hands it to Donovan. Step back three.
Up. Okay, Donovan. Put that one on the highlight reel.
Ito na babaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako ay Luis Soning here in Pampanga. Ngayon po nga doon ngayon ni Akakichay Kawhi Leonard. So ating ko pong standee ng Kawhi Leonard kay Gudot. Kasi ngayon po nga doon ngayon ni at yung tamo ngayon Halftime Burgers San Fernando, Pampanga. So we were invited to introduce you po ining Halftime Burger franchise kay ni Pampanga. So tara lungupta mo, lawentala rin karalang titinda. So this is what's inside Halftime Burger San Fernando branch. So kitang gulot ko is behind the scenes. So this is how we do it. Photo shoot and giningadong ni Abe Miyayala. So I guess photo shoot done. Munta tayo ng table tam. Alright, so once again guys, thank you for being with us. Salamat po kayong pamalbay and kaya kaming vlog. Sabi ko po nandito at kami kayong Halftime Burgers San Fernando. Pinaka-landmark na ning location, if you may ask. Super lapit na mo po kayong SM City, Pampanga. So from its exit, siguro around 2 minutes, you're gonna arrive here. And on our table are some of their best sellers. We're gonna taste test them later on. But first of all, let me introduce po kayong products though. Let's start with the drinks or the refreshment. So available po kayo are yung house blend iced tea, and you also have your cucumber as well as shakes. Look at the size of this, guys. So this is 100 pesos. This is their avocado shake. Ating pang mango graham, ating pang choco banana. But for our sample, they gave us their avocado shake. Let's go directly to their burgers in melted cheese. So this guy right here is just 90 pesos. And then we also have MVP for 120 pesos. You got your single patty, you have your vegetables, and of course melted cheese. And then this is their 3-peat, and this is 210 pesos, guys. If you notice, it's overloading with cheese and then 3 stacks of beef patties. Now, I have to mention na pansinan nyo na, so they are using brioche buns. If you're not familiar with brioche, syempre medyo mayating buns la rin na. Yung buritang pakay kay katamo kayo is you're gonna enjoy not the usual buns na you get from other burger stands na. I actually researched earlier, no? They use milk, egg, flour, a touch of sugars. In front of you guys, so ating lang Channing fries. The large fries is 90 pesos. The regular is just 60 pesos. The Nash nachos is 110 pesos. Siguro pera due day kang kain. Steve Nash. One of the highlights, star ng Pasko hanapin, is their unlimited wings. 4 pieces, 6 pieces, and 8 pieces. Available na po for a la carte. For only 249 pesos, you're gonna enjoy unlimited chicken wings. Now they have an array of flavors, starting with garlic parmesan. So you have your herb wings with garlic aioli, honey barbecue, honey mustard, wings on fire, sweet blue, a lot more, teriyaki, a lot more. Ingkasandingan pa kayo ni, so if you order unlimited, you can taste all of those flavors. So for example, you want to start with teriyaki, and then next you go to barbecue, and then next is the cheese. So you can do that here. This is the best part of the vlog. So what we're gonna taste first is Inkarelang MVP burgers. So tomatoes, lettuce, onion, cheese. Not necessarily cheap price na. It's a low price burger, pero you get to taste premium burger, premium quality meat. That one's really amazing. So the bun is a little sweet, okay, but the cheese is of course medyo salty. Plus itong umami, parang itong savory na ng beef. It's gonna come in all at once, and for sure you're gonna love it. Before I continue with the wings, I would like to announce po na they're gonna be in next issue of Yala Pampanga. So watch out for their deal. pretty sure it's gonna be a great deal. Another deal here is they have their loyalty card coupons. So each visit, you're gonna have one stamp on your like tent. You're gonna receive a free gift. So either 6 pieces chicken or an MVP burger. Another thing I would like to announce is they will have that delivery. For more information or number po, we're gonna leave them here or kaya pa content description. We're gonna taste their wings. So this one is sriracha. Alright. Sriracha. Nga pala, it comes with rice. So this one is 8 pieces. 8 pieces. Let's taste it. Wow. Almost every time, you can't go wrong for the chicken. Na, lalong-lalo na po ang ating yung premium flavors like this one. It's really brilliant. So this time, I'm gonna ask you guys to come and visit Halftime Burgers na yung pinaka-landmark natin po kayo ni is SM Pampanga. So for orders, make sure to check out the contact number we're gonna be including in this video. Anywhere in Mexico, San Fernando, kay batatin niya mong 50 pesos I think for the delivery fee. Minimum of 500 pesos. We're inviting universities, other establishments like banks, mga yan. Try this new burger store or burger joint in San Fernando. New option on your cravings. Anyway, so ito, until our next discovery, my name is Louie. Peace out. Thanks.
We are inviting everyone, mga kabalin, to try our mouth-watering burgers and unlimited chicken wings here at Halftime Burgers San Fernando beside SM Pampanga from 12 noon to 9 p.m. from Mondays to Sundays.
So nananuta po mga kabalin, tara na't magpakabsi Kenny.
Halftime Burgers San Fernando!